Hi, this is Christine Cherry, and it's day 43 of Quattro University's 90-Day Challenge. Well, this week I was looking back at the prior week, and I didn't do much in the way of health. I kind of slacked off at the gym. I'm getting back into yoga today, which is a little difficult after a few days of not doing it because it gets stiff, and it usually wears off quite quickly, though, after 1 or 2 days. That'll be fine. I'll be back to normal, and I'll be going back to the gym. I'm still feeling kind of a little out of sorts with the weather, even though I love it, and I'm really happy that it's not so hot anymore. We got our first rain today, and that was really fantastic. So I'm still kind of feeling a little funny. I hope I'm not fighting anything off because everything is going around. Dennis's work and other people's, other Quattro reps are getting sick. So I'm just hoping I can stay just above it because I have clients that I have to work on. And in fact, I probably will be working on clients tomorrow. But also, I'm getting back into doing some of the jewelry, which is kind of fun and therapeutic. And I finished off what's called a DNA stitch on one of my pieces. It's a necklace, and it's the chain that's going to go on the necklace, and it's all beaded, but it looks like a little spiral, like a DNA stitch. And I'll show you that bottle when it's going to be done. I'm not really sure if it's going to start out, if it's going to end the way I started it, which was to be for an essential oil bottle, but it's in fall colors, and fall is kind of calling me. I really love fall colors. So anyway, this is Christine, day 43, Quattro University's 90-Day Challenge. We're almost to the halfway point. So have a good night, everyone, and I will talk to you tomorrow. And live the power of 4.